Hey guys, how you all doing? So today I want to show you a really cool and effective dynamic core and ab exercise known as the 3-stop V-up. And I'm quickly going to show you, and then afterwards I'll tell you about how you can use it to build your own ab and core exercise. So first and foremost, a V-up is obviously this here, okay? This here is a V-up, okay? Now the 3-stop V-up, we're going to stop for 5 seconds at 3 specific stages or positions to make it a little bit harder and more dynamic. So the first thing you do is just get onto your back and just relax, okay? Then you're going to contract your abs and you're going to come up. Make sure your lower back is pushed into the floor, okay? If you can put your hand through here, you need to either use an easier exercise or just focus more on contracting your abs and bringing up your, sorry, I'm just messing about with this mic cable. The problems of shooting with a mic. So, but once you are here, guys, you're then going to get into your first position, okay, which is here, okay, and you hold it here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then way back down, halfway down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then to the bottom, don't relax, keep attention there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is your exercise. So it doesn't really matter how many reps or sets you do, because the goal is here to do 4 sets to failure. So you just go up and down until you can't anymore. Rest 30 seconds, and then do that 4 times. That is a pretty tough abs and core exercise that you can bring into your weekly workout schedule. So there you go, guys. Once you've done it, let me know how you get on in the comments box. As always, please like it and share with your friends and family members if you enjoyed this video. And until next time, keep it simple out there and have fun. Bye-bye.